moving forward now, how do we go about also UNS enabling the PLC and light stack?
Right, yeah, so the next thing is pretty much the PLC. So for this one in our toolbox, we have we had a discussion, Wayne and I, in an email thread, trying to understand, hey, what is the controller for the light stack? He pretty much said, hey, we just have an automation direct PLC, right?
Yep.
And one of the things is you didn't want to mess around with trying to understand the mapping, where those
No, I want to use
points
the
go.
native
Correct.
addressing.
As native as possible is pretty much what you said. So for that, in our toolbox, we have this solution called PLCserver, okay, that allows us to UNS-enable that PLC. And being able to expose the data via OPC as well. So in this case, we're using the automation direct driver, okay? And then in our discussions, we discussed that this was just a simple latch, that if you wanted green, you have to set this tag high. If you wanted red, this tag high.
Yep, exactly.
Okay? And then that was pretty simple how it was configured. You gave us the addresses, we created the tags, and then PLCserver allows us to just expose that data via OPC.
Great. So it seems like at this point we've covered UNS enabling their hardware using DataHub, OmniServer, and PLCserver. So how do we actually go about establishing a connection with the UNS and these devices?